You are going to love the 2019 Versa. With its roomy and inviting interior, impressive technology, and exceptional gas mileage, the Nissan Versa is smart to own and fun to drive. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, traction control system, remote trunk release, wheel covers, backup camera, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power door locks, power windows. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.